Welcome to the first video in our XXOTO software tutorial series. In this video, you will learn how to navigate the basic interface, manage data, view cutting records, and understand account information. This introduction will help you start using XXOTO software with confidence. Let's get started. After entering the software, you'll see 4 tabs on the left side. The first tab is the most commonly used. Here, you'll find the Data Center and Design Center. From the Data Center, you can select the data you want. The second tab is where your saved data is stored. You can save frequently used data here. You can also search your saved data using the search bar. Additionally, there are share codes and identify codes. You can share your saved data with your friends or other accounts, and you can also cancel sharing or delete the saved data. The third tab shows cutting records. Here, you can view all your previous cutting activities. The fourth tab is for account information. It shows your remaining cutting area and the account's expiration date. Also, remember that if you have a new account, be sure to change your password first to prevent others from using your account. Returning to the Data Center, choose the type of data you want. There are various data types available. For example, if we choose Exterior of Car, the next step is to find the brand you're interested in. Then select the model, the submodel, and the year of the car. It's important to note that in XXOTO software, the year is based on the first year the model was released globally. For instance, if your shop has a new car from 2023, you should choose 2020 as the model. From 2020 to 2023 is the same, and the lack of a year does not mean there is no data, but that there were no changes in the model data. If a new 2024 car comes into your shop, you should select 2024. Here, we'll choose 2024. Next, select its submodel. When the design appears, double-click with your mouse to enter the Design Center. XXOTO offers almost the most comprehensive data editing functions in the industry. Here, you need to familiarize yourself with the mouse operations. 1. Click the left mouse button to select a shape. 2. Hold the left mouse button and move the mouse to drag the shape. 3. Hold the right mouse button and move the mouse to rotate the shape. 4. Right-click to confirm actions in the software. 5. The mouse wheel is used to zoom in and out of the design, centered around the cursor's position when you scroll. 6. Hold the mouse wheel to drag the canvas. Congratulations! You now have a basic understanding of XXOTO software. Feel free to check out other videos to get more tips.